Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in. So right now, since the price of Bitcoin is flashing a very interesting scenario, I thought I will give you guys a quick update on price action of Bitcoin, because if you look at the price structure, the price of is again around this 0.5 to 0.618 Fibonacci level that we have been talking about since days, because we know if the price of Bitcoin wants to make this dead cat bounce type of scenario, or even this head and shoulder pattern that we mentioned in my yesterday video invalid, then we have to overcome this obstacle around this 0.5 to 0.618 Fibonacci line, which is around 40,500 to 40,800 range. And only after breaking above this resistance line, we could be continue this rally here to the upward direction. Otherwise, this could be unfolding as a dead cat bounce type of formation, where the price of Bitcoin gets retracement towards this 0.5, 0.618, gets rejected, and then again this rally here to the downward direction. Because if you are aware, guys, this is how dead cat bounce usually looks like. In a traditional market, the retracement is from 0.2 till this 0.3 area, and that's going to be around this 50% retracement. But since this is crypto is volatile, so our retracement is not just only going to be the 0.5 but also the 0.618. So that is the reason why I'm actually saying you again and again, the 0.5 and 0.618 is the line we have to break if this is not going to be a dead cat bounce type of scenario for Bitcoin. And beside this dead cat bounce, we also are witnessing head and shoulder type of formation, because right now, guys, if you monitor this price movement, you can see this here looks like a left shoulder. This here is a head, and right now what we could be forming is this right shoulder. So if this is going to be a head and shoulder formation, then you can see we don't want the price of Bitcoin to lose the support from this rising trend line. And this rising trend line support, if it's going to get broken, let me quickly add this rising trend line here. So if this rising trend line support is going to get broken, then you can see, guys, we could be slowly starting this rally here to the downward direction. And I mentioned that very clearly yesterday. If that's going to happen, then our price target is going to be from this headline till the neckline area. So this is going to be a potential downward price target if the neckline is going to get broken, and that could be around 38,000 price range. So that's why for us right now, this 40 to 39,000 is a must hold support for Bitcoin. And not just only that, if you go back to this price action from yesterday, we know that the support around this 39 to 40,000 was an extremely important support line, because if you look at this S&E channel, the lower line is still holding the price, right? You can see each and every time the price got a retracement after support, after finding support at this lower line area of this S&E channel, we got a really nice bounce. So the price right now is still holding, and it's also above this support line, which is indicating that the relief rally could happen. So that's why I don't want you guys to be tricked. So that's the reason I'm showing you the head and shoulder and also the dead cat bounce type of formation. And only after breaking the 0.5 to 0.618, we could be starting, or we could be continuing this rally here to the upper direction, because we know not just only the lower line area from this S&E channel, but also if you look at this parabolic curve, right, we know each and every time the price of Bitcoin has showed retracement and found support at this curve line, after that we have seen a relief rally. So that is also a reason right now, as you can see, we are holding the line. I mean, the line around this 39 to 40,000 has a very important line of support for Bitcoin, and breaking that could turn the price very bearish. And in that case, right, let me show you a bearish price target, because we know for us right now, along with the S&E channel overline, curve line, now also this monthly S1 line is our strong line of support, right? So this line is our important line of support, the monthly S1 line, which is around 39,000. So if that's going to get broken, right, the support from this S&E channel is going to get broken, then we could be forming this scenario, which actually is a very bearish scenario for Bitcoin. Let me show you quickly here. So let's look at this here in a daily time frame, because if you monitor this rising trend line, you can see this rising trend line was a strong line of support. Each and every time we tested this line, after that we got this relief rally. But once we failed this support, after that we saw this price retracement. And now if I would add another rising trend line till this area, so you can see we could be forming another rising trend line scenario where this rising trend line is also acting as a support. So if we break the support around this 39,000 to 40,000 range, then you can see this could be also forming another moving just like here, right? Just like here around this 30,000 price range. So that is the reason why I'm actually showing you the price of Bitcoin must hold this support around this 39 to 40,000 if we want to continue this rally here to the upward direction. So this is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope video was helpful enough. If that's the case, then please hit the like button, and also for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.